I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. What's up? I'm about to try out completely new products. They're from the brand Makiage New York. Let's just go ahead and jump on into this video. All right, first product I'm going to start with is the Makiage Brow pen, and it looks like this. It's in the color brown, the shade brown. I prefer using pencils or pens over pomades, so yeah, this is this is a bit light for me. I have the Makiage long wear eye pencil in Batman. This is it. It's black. So what I'm gonna do is lightly just go on the tail end. Ooh, and this is so waxy. This is exactly how I love my pencils to be. All right, so that's really waxy, so you really need to have a light hand when filling in the brows with that, so it's very important. So okay, so for concealer here, I have the BFF Perfecting Concealer, long wearing and eyelashes. I selected online, and it says made in Italy. It pretty much just opens like this with a twist. So this is what I'm gonna use to clean up my brow. The concealer consistency, I really love that. It's not extremely thick and it's not runny at all. It is very opaque. I love the coverage. The coverage is very nice. It's very creamy. So that is definitely a plus. It has the qualities that I look for in my concealer, because as you guys know, a good concealer is my best friend. Makiage, definitely a plus. So I'm just gonna move on to priming. As you can see, my skin is well moisturized already. Has that really nice dewy glow. And that's fun, not a video, probably a skincare, but yeah. So for today, I'm so excited about this primer, mainly because of the packaging. It is so gorgeous. Yes, it's the Makiage No Filter Poreless Base Smoothing Primer. It is so nice. I just really love, you know, the pride that they take in their packaging. It's really, really cool. I'm just gonna put a tad on the back of my hand. You guys know I also love a good primer, because you know how I feel about my smile lines. So let's see, this one is definitely like a silicone base primer, so I don't mind these at all because they really help to fill in, you know, any pores. And I have combination skin, so I don't have a problem with this, with a good silicone base primer at all. It's time to jump into foundation. I'm pretty excited about this, even though I don't use foundation on a daily basis. I'm gonna use their foundation blending brush to apply this. Okay, I'm just gonna do like one pump. Okay guys, can you believe that I selected this shade online? They have a quiz. Wow, guys, this matches me perfectly. Usually if I purchase, like, you know, face makeup online, it's a risk, so most of the time I end up having to buy two of the same thing. Look at that. It's very rare when I find a perfect match like that online. Look at how natural that looks. Am I even wearing foundation? Because my skin looks just like this. Coverage is very nice, guys. It has a bit of a scent, by the way, so just letting you guys know. What does it smell like? It's like it's a very subtle scent. It gives me floral vibes. All right, so now I'm just going to take some more of the concealer. I'm actually going to pump it. I really wish it had a wand. I feel like it's so nice. And this is the same concealer I used to clean up my brow, BFF. On the first attempt of blending, everything just fused together so nicely. I didn't get like a contour stick or anything, so I'm just going to, you know, proceed to setting the area. The next product I'm going to move into is the Makiage Translucent Loose Powder. This actually have a very subtle scent. It's very subtle. It's like, I don't know, it's like, it's hard to explain, like cotton candy, but it's not overpowering, and it gives me a very nice matte finish. I feel good about this. I So now I'm just gonna move on to my eyes, and today I feel like I want to go in with something a little bit sultry. I have two eyeshadow palettes here, multi-dimensional eye color quad. So I'm going to go into my Make Moves, and this one has like a nice little mauvey pinky shade and a purple along with like a shimmery shade, but the purple that's there is matte. I'm gonna try out the Il Makiage dual fiber blending brush for this. Dabbing in this is a bit compact. Pat this into the crease. There are absolutely no fallouts, absolutely none. I want to try out the Material Girl Mineral Baked highlighter that they have. It's very golden and pretty, and it is like you screw it off like this. I'm gonna use a bit of their setting spray to pick up that product. So I kind of just bring it up into like a triangle. I want to do my liner really dark, so I'm gonna try out their Blackout Gel eyeliner.
When you don't talk to me, when you don't talk to me.
So now I'm just gonna jump into the part that makes the skin look so expensive, which is highlighting. First, take my Il Makiage setting spray. I'm just going to go in with the Il Makiage highlighter here, and this is in Gold Sand. Guys, this is like butter on my skin. So I have two lashes here from Il Makiage. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with one. I want to go in and try their mascara. This is the Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. So for the lips, I have this Il Makiage Natural Moisturizing Lip Liner in brown here. So I'm gonna try out their lipstick in Infinity Long Wear Matte Lip Cream. So it's actually a lip cream that also got a gloss. And this is Champagne Lip Gloss, Il Makiage Champagne Lip Gloss. So I'm all done with the look. You know, it's just a nice evening look, you know, if you're going to a special occasion type of event, or you know, something like that. I mean, these products, I really love the quality. The eyeshadow, I feel like it could use a little bit more pigmentation, but I really love the fact that there were absolutely no fallouts. That's really good. And the glow, I feel like my favorite part, I feel like this is a general thing for me, like the glow is like butter. I'm going to list each and every product for sure, every single product that I used in this video today, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. And I'll also list the Il Makiage website down below, so you guys can also, you know, check them out, see what they have. That's it for today. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to give this video a big thumb up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, I'm your girl Petite.